Hello everyone from aicado. Today we are kicking off an exciting new series. In our previous video, I introduced you to Spurgeon. I'll leave the link in the description below. Today we are diving into how to use Spurgeon's tool effectively with real-life scenarios. The first thing first, let's create a Spurgeon, give it Instagram because today I'll be using the Instagram tool. So if you're an influencer, social media manager, or someone managing an Instagram account, this video is for you. I won't be covering advanced customization in this video. Our focus is purely on tools functionality. But keep in mind, your spreadsheet can be fully customized and trained to fit your needs. Now let's go back to Tools tab and find Instagram tools. We have 3 tools available and I will activate all of them. Also, take out the examples we prepared, hover over this icon and click Learn More. This will take you to our documentation page. Here you find detailed example for each tool, making your workflow much easier. Additionally, we provided 3 prompts for every tool. We even can help shorten your ideas for your own workflow. Another important section is the dictionary. This contains all the data types and terms that Spurgeon uses. Now let's go back to edit page and open the settings part. We already discussed how important it is to create a well-structured prompt. A good prompt leads to better responses. Today I'll share a quick and easy way to create an effective prompt. I'll provide keywords and let Spurgeon generate the prompt for me. For example, imagine I have an Instagram page. I want to grow my audience, so I want my Spurgeon to suggest the best hashtag for my niche, research optimal captions, generate high quality visuals, and etc. Let's go back to tools part. I want to generate an image for my post. So for this, I'll activate the image processing part. If you want, you can copy the embed code and integrate it in your project or platform. But now let's hit the preview. You can also go to Playground directly from our dashboard to test your agent. So I'll send my Instagram link and ask for a growth advice. I say that analyze my account and give me the best advice for growth. Look, it's working. And here's my response. It comes with a detailed JSON file formatted exactly as described in the Spurgeon's dictionary. Now, I also want to generate an image to share on Instagram. So, I'm writing down it. We can see which tools are working right there. Voila, the image is ready. But I don't like it that much, so I'll use the aicado's image guide for better results. I'll take a look at the guide and choose this one and copy it, paste it directly into my message box and add the word aicado. Okay, we are waiting for the tool at working. So, perfect. Let's view the image. I love it. I want to post it on Instagram. It also gives us to call to action visual ideas for this image. So I'm saving it and I'm going to my aicado account. I create a post, use the hashtags, add in the description. Yes, and also call to action part. I choose this one, add in it. It is so easy peasy, right? We can share our posts right now. With Super Agent, you can optimize your content strategy, create high quality posts, and grow your audience effortlessly. So let me know in the comments what other features you would like to see in action. So, see you in the next video.